In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call using the HubSpot CRM dialer. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned pro, connecting with your contacts via HubSpot is designed to be straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right into it and take things step by step, ensuring you make the most out of your HubSpot experience. First up, open your preferred web browser and head over to HubSpot's official website. Once the homepage loads, you'll find a sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you should enter your credentials. If you don't have an account already, now would be the time to set one up, but for today, we'll assume you have one ready to go. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central command hub for all things HubSpot. Locate the CRM section, which usually features prominently on this page, and click on it. This will take you into the heart of your customer relationship management tools within HubSpot, where all the magic happens. With the CRM now open, the next thing you want to do is look for the contacts section. Accessing contacts is crucial as it houses the database of individuals and businesses you're linked with. Click on the Contacts tab and you'll see a list of all the contacts stored in your CRM. From this list, take your time to locate the specific contact you would like to call. This could be done by scrolling through your list or making use of the search function if your list is extensive. Once you find the contact, click on their name to open their detailed page. Here you'll find various pieces of information and actions you can take related to this specific contact. Now it's time to place the call. Look for the call button. It's designed to be easily accessible on the contacts page. Clicking this will prompt the HubSpot CRM dialer to open. Before making the call, make sure your microphone is working properly and that you have a stable internet connection to prevent any disruptions during your conversation. Once you're all set and ready, you can proceed to dial your contact. While on the call, be sure to make good use of HubSpot's features such as taking notes or recording the call for future reference, if permitted by the contact. After your call, you can manually log any additional notes or follow-up actions directly within the contacts page to keep your records comprehensive and up to date. And there you have it. Making a call using the HubSpot CRM dialer is really just that easy. With practice, you'll become even more adept at navigating HubSpot's user-friendly interface, paving the way for better and more efficient communications with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your HubSpot endeavors.